In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change caption colors and backgrounds in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the look of your captions so they're easy to read and consistent across your timeline. First, click any caption block directly on your timeline to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted. This tells Premiere which caption you want to style, and it's the quickest way to make sure your changes apply to the right block. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, choose Window, then select Essential Graphics. This panel is where you'll control the visual styling for your selected caption, including color and background. Keep it visible while you work so you can make quick adjustments and preview them instantly in the program monitor. With your caption still selected, find the Fill Color option in Essential Graphics, click the color swatch to open the color picker, and choose any color you like. You can drag around the color field, use the hue slider, or enter a specific value if you have a brand color in mind. As you confirm your choice, you'll see the caption text update immediately in the preview. If the color looks too light or low contrast against your footage, simply pick a darker shade to maintain readability. If you want extra pop or better legibility over busy backgrounds, add a background box. Enable the background option so a solid or semi-transparent rectangle appears behind the text. You can keep it fully opaque for maximum contrast or lower the opacity to let a bit of the video show through. Adjust the size or padding if needed so the box neatly frames your words without crowding the edges. This is a simple way to make captions look more professional while staying easy to read. Finally, if you want the same color applied across multiple captions, use the text panel to select more than one caption block at once. With those captions selected, change the color a single time, and Premiere will apply that color everywhere you've selected. This is especially helpful for long edits, brand guidelines, or multilingual versions where consistency matters. That's it. Click a caption in the timeline, open Essential Graphics, choose your text color, optionally add a background box, and use the text panel to apply changes to multiple